Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Blue Banisters by Lana Del Rey. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player. We're going to have our capo on fret number 3, and we're using the easiest chords. I know you can play this in F major. I know, but we want to do the basic version where we're going to be using the key of D, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, so the chorus goes like this. I keep looking down here because that's where my iPad is and that's where I'm playing the song from. All right, so let's just scroll back to the chorus. We have right, so we have D, and D is open, 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 2, 3, 2, okay? We have D. We were this is an A major, which is open, open, 2, 2, 2, open. And then we go to E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then lastly a G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. D, and then A major, E minor to G. So D to A, and then E minor to G. Alright, and you can put that cycle 2, 3 on your 6th string, right? So frets 2 and 3 on your 6th string. So my strumming pattern here is, so that's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and that just goes on and on and on and on. Okay, let's go to the verse and the intro, of course. Okay, so that's the beginner way to play the song, right? I'm going to show you the intermediate and the advanced, but first let's do the verse or the intro. There's a picture on the wall. Okay, so we have, there's a picture on the wall. That's E minor. And then we go to okay, let me find that chord. So we have, and then we go to this is there's a picture on the wall. Na, 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 na. Okay, I don't know what chord this is. I will look it up. There's a picture on the wall. Na, 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 na. Okay, found it. So we have E minor. And then, but you can play it like this, which is basically holding 4th string, 4th fret, and 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, right? Or you can play it like you should. It's an F sharp minor, right? So we have, there's a picture on the wall, na 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 na. This is a G suspended 2, right? And that's just a fancy name, but it's actually easy to play. You're holding, okay, so let me just show you let me give you the numbers or the coordinates, whatever you want to call them, for the string, for the chords. So we have E minor, and then we go to F sharp. F sharp is barring 2nd fret and playing an E minor in front of that. So that becomes 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. And then we go to G suspended 2, which is 3, open, open, 2, 3, X. That means we're not playing that. So, and then we go to A major, which is open, open, 2, 2, 2. Right, that's your verse. So we have, so that's just E minor, F sharp minor, and then G, and then A, and then Jenny jumped into the pool, D, A, E minor to G. Okay, that's now your chorus. Or I don't know the actual structure of the song, what they call the parts, but this sounds like the chorus, so let's just mark it as the chorus. Okay, and then we get into the next verse, and you're playing the same chords as you played in verse number 1, and then you have the same chorus, right? The second verse is the one that goes, there's a hole in my heart, so you go to E minor, F sharp minor, and then G suspended 4, back to A. And then we head into the next chorus. This time it's Jenny was smoking by the pool. We were riding with Nikki Lane, whatnot, whatnot. And then turns to me. All my sisters come to pay. My banister is green. That's a chorus, okay? So you played the same way you played the first chorus. This and the babe. Chuck is making birthday cake. Jake is running barefooted, baby on the Okay, so if you're intermediate, you want to pluck the strings individually, okay? So for your verse, you're gonna have na 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 na, okay? This is also for the advanced. So you have E minor, 6, 4, 3, 2, and then you go to F sharp minor, 6, 4, 3, 2 again, and then G, 6, E minor, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, and then F sharp minor, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, and then we go to G, and that's now 6, 4, 3, 2, and then A is 5, 4, 3, 2, right? And then we get into na 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 na, and this is 4, 3, 2 for D, na 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 na, 5, 4, 3, 2, na na. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 again. Right, so that's basically the whole song. The advanced player can use both the strums and the plucking, and also mute the chords to get that rhythm. So na 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 na, sorry, na 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 na. And that's it for the rest of the song. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.